If you have this feature turned off on your YouTube channel, you have to go and turn it on right now, because you might be having a lot of views, likes, subscribers, and even watch hours, but when it comes to monetization, those watch hours will not count on your channel because of this particular feature that you turn off. So you have to go and turn it on right now, because in YouTube monetization, you have to reach a maximum of 1k subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and this is where the thing become funny. Imagine having 1k subscribers and you are having videos that are doing well, having a lot of watch hours on those videos, but it's not appearing or it's not showing on your YouTube channel. Yes, you can't use those videos to monetize your channel. It's just like the thing, you are just wasting your time. So that is why you have to turn this feature off that I'm going to show you right now. This video is mostly for upcoming content creators, yes, upcoming YouTubers. Once you have monetized, you can go back and turn it off, but right now you have to go there and turn it on. After you have gotten your 1k subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can go back and turn it off. Yes, there will be no problem in that, but for now you have to just go there and turn it on. In this video, I'll also be revealing to you some other things that you still have to turn on your YouTube channel to make it go more viral. Yes, and I'll also be explaining why you need to turn all these things on so that you get more better details understanding about all these things. Okay guys, my name is Wise, yes, and in this channel I did video how you can grow your YouTube channel, how to create content on your channel. That is what I teach on this channel, and know that anything that I learned, that is what I come to this channel to also teach you. So I don't teach what I don't know. And if you don't want to miss my videos, I would like you to join the community, and that is, I want you to subscribe. Yes, join this channel by subscribing. Yes, like this video, also share this video so that more people will get to see this video. So without more further ado, let's get to the video. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your YouTube studio, and going to your YouTube studio, you won't be using your YouTube studio app but the website. Yes, because you won't be able to use, if you use the YouTube studio app, you won't be seeing everything on it, so we'll be using the website. So go to your browser and search for studio.youtube.com. yeah, studio.youtube.com. just search for it and you see it, then just go. I'm sorry about this. Just search for studio.youtube.com, then go. Then it will take you to the YouTube studio homepage. There is where you will now go to your customization. This is customization over here. This is your customization over here. This one that looks like a pen icon here, that is customization. Click on it. Once your customization tab comes up, the next thing you have to click on is your home tab. This is home tab over here at the top. Click on it. Then you come to this place. Once you get here, you see all this video here that's showing here, it won't show on your own. That is if you have not done your customization. Yes, if you have not done your customization, it won't show on your own. So if for you to do your customization, the thing you have to do, just let me show you how to do your customization. So to do your customization, just click on these add sessions over here. You can see all these things over here. Yes, that's where you add everything. You see this first one, channel trailer, that is the first video which you want anybody that comes to your YouTube channel that have not yet subscribed to watch. Yes, that is the video that talks about the kind of content you create on your YouTube channel. And most time I advise that you use your video that have the highest views. Yes, that is what I advise you use on this session. For me, I'll be using this. Yeah, then just click on it to add any other one. You can see single playlist. Yes, why the rest I can't highlight it is because I have already done that before. Yes, so you can see you already done all these ones. Once you have added everything, you see you come to this place that says publish, then you click on publish. When you click on publish, then wait for it to load, then it will publish. You can see it will be published. You can see it at the down. Now the thing you have to turn on is this place that says for you. You see this place that says for you, this place over here. You go to the place that says more settings. You just click on the more settings there. Yes, this is it. Once you click on it, make sure all these, things are turned on. You see this video, turn it on. That is what to include in the for you section of your channel. Yes, you see video, turn it on. Short, turn it on. Live stream, turn it on. Then you come to this one that says recency. Yes, you see when you go to your own, you will see that your own is in all content. Yes, this is where everything happen. If you click on all content and you have not yet monetized any video that is dated more than a year and you are getting views on it, those watch hours won't be included on your videos. Yes, it won't be included on your channel. Yes, you can't use those watch hours to go viral. You won't be able to use those watch hours to monetize your channel. And you see, when you click on all content, YouTube will be promoting all your content, but when you click recent content only, YouTube will be promoting the content you have created in the last 12 months. Yes, so YouTube will be promoting those content you created in the last 12 months, so that you'll be able to use them to monetize your channel. So if you once you get here, you see your own is in all content. Remove for all content and put it on recent content only. Then you click on done. Then after you have clicked on that done, then come over here and click on publish again. Then yes, you can see that it's published. This is just it. Yes, this is what I just showed you. This is just it. You have to go and turn it on right now, so that you start seeing results on your channel. To know how to make money on your YouTube channel even without being monetized, click the video that will be showing right now. There's the part 1 and the part 2. You can watch any of them, but I advise you to watch the part 1 before you watch the part 2. One day you know how to make money on your YouTube channel even without being monetized. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Thanks.